dancing to make it through my circumstances. But you know I'm wise enough just to hide my pound. Got a house in the so I might give a 6 to my chick.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in today. Today's video is on how to do this simple protective style both for adults and children. The hair extension I'm using for this tutorial, and it's called Lush Attachment, and I'm only going to use like half pack of it. So I really want the hair to be long at the back, so I decided to cut the extension into cut 2. Here I'm just showing you guys how to pick attachment or extension just so that the tips will loosening after box braiding. And I'm just picking the tips of the extension like so. Now, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. After picking the hair extension, I'm just sectioning out a small portion by the side of her hair using a tail comb to achieve this. Doing this because I really want the hairstyle to look like this Fulani kind of hairstyle, so that's why I'm actually adding the 2 by the side. After that, I'm just box braiding the small section aside so that it doesn't interfere with the other part of the hair. Before I start doing the zigzag hair, I always like to section out the hair in portions since it's all back, so that I can actually get accurate portions, or so that the lines will be straight. So I'm just sectioning the rest part of the hair into 5 portions, and then we'll just put them in big box braids.
Trying everything to make me heal. You and I thought we had a deal. If I have you, I'm not lonely. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave this town, baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now.
I'm just going to show you guys how to zigzag hair on just one portion, just so that this video won't be that long or super long. The zigzag, I'm just sectioning it exactly the way I want to braid it from the forehead down to the back, and I'm sectioning it in little portions.
With you, yeah. Stay high for the most of the time.
After sectioning it the way I want to braid it, we'll just start cornrolling following the way I section the hair.
High for the most of the time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your car. Waking up on your sofa next to half-filled bottles from last night.
Then when I get to the end of the section here, we'll just take the next one or the next line and continue cornrolling following the lines like I'm doing. This style is very simple. The only way to get it is just to section the hair into little sections, just the way you want to cornroll it, and then follow the cornrows. When you get to the end of the first line, you just turn over and cornroll it straight up down, and then when you get to that end, you turn over, and that's how you get the zigzag method. Very simple. To use this opportunity to talk about something that I've always wanted to talk about here on this channel. want to talk about different hair textures. Nigerians' hair texture is totally different from Black American hair textures. Black American hair textures tend to be very soft, while Nigerians are just in between. They are not really soft, and also the scalp are dark, because most of us Nigerians, we have dark complexions, so it also reflects the scalp of the hair. So like I was saying before, most Nigerians tend to have dark scalp, and it's because of our complexion, it tends to reflect on our scalp, and that's why after braiding or styling one's hair, you just see the hair not shining at all, or the scalp not shining at all, as the way it normally seems on Black American hairs, especially on social media. It's because of our texture, hair texture one, and also because of our complexion. Hair textures are not as soft as the Black Americans. Sometimes we'll even try to use some of the US/UK products without getting the same result I see on social media. So I'm just saying, in case you try to recreate one of the looks on social media and you tend not to get the same result after using most of the products they use, and you seem not to get the same result, it's not your fault. It's just maybe the texture different or the scalp different.
This high, oh my God, can I stay this high? With you, yeah, oh my God, can I stay this high? This high, yeah, oh my God, can I stay this high? With you, yeah.
When I'm done unrolling the lines or the little portions I created initially, we'll just do the straight cornrow just to finish up the zigzag, and then add extension while unrolling that straight cornrow. So now I'm just adding the hair extension in such a way that it wouldn't show that I added hair extension. Just watch carefully just to see the way I'm adding it.
Stay high for the most of time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your car. Waking up on your sofa next to half-filled bottles from last night. I don't even know where we are.
I'm just loosening the little side cornrow I actually sectioned out initially, and then just add extension to it and also add beads to it, just to kind of give it that Fulani look.
Now, tell me if you wanna go sometime. Yeah, we could be alone tonight. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading now.
The edges, I'm using Eco Styling Gel to smoothen and lay down her edges. While laying down the edges, I found out that it's giving this whitish kind of look. I decided to use baby wipes to kind of reduce or clean out some of the Eco Styling Gel, just to reduce the whitishness.
You and I thought we had a deal.
So yeah, thanks so much for watching this video to the end. Hope it's helpful, hope you're able to learn something and you enjoy. Please subscribe if you haven't, like, share to friends and family. We'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.
Tell me if you wanna go sometime.